Last week, my machine learning model predicted Amazon would close the week at 227.5. This was a close prediction, with Amazon actually closing last week at 231.03. The model correctly predicted that the 222.5 through 227.5 strikes would end in the money, but was wrong about 230 strike being out of the money, risking assignment. Good news, I was conservative with my Amazon covered call strike and sold the 232.5 and avoided assignment. Last week's Google predictions were pretty good with covered call strategies. My model predicted the 202.5 through 207.5 strikes would be in the money. Only the 202.5 strike prediction ultimately came true, as Google closed the week at 204.91. I initially sold the 215 call to be conservative, but then rolled down to 212.5 to collect more premium. Overall, my Amazon and Google covered calls made $46 in premium for the week. To review, this is a machine learning model that takes historic weekly price action data in attempt to predict the new week's price action in the form of strike prices. Potential benefits of this data science model is selling covered calls that the model predicts to be out of the money to collect premium. For the new week, the model predicts the SPY will close between 645 and 649.99. A prediction of 1 means the strike will be in the money, while a prediction of 0 would be out of the money. Amazon and Google continue to be core positions in my personal financial journey because both companies have strong moats in their respective and overlapping arenas. Google has been underappreciated by the market because of DOJ lawsuit and AI LLM risks. However, Google continues to showcase search revenue is growing, and their cloud business revenue increased faster than Amazon's last quarter results. Google is leading AI with confidence, supporting $85 billion in CapEx for cloud and AI development. Google has climbed 28% since my last Google analysis video, and I think Google is still a good position, in my personal opinion, for the long term. Check out that video in the top right. Amazon will also benefit from this AI market through robotics and their fulfillment centers and AWS hosting AI solutions. I enjoy both of these holdings, so I intend to be conservative on the strikes I sell.